If you're looking for a fan like this, monster fan, it's really a statement piece. It's huge, modern look. You can move a lot of air. Right now it's on 2. I'm going to move it up to full bore here. It's quiet too. Man, it's quiet. Quiet it is. That's full bore. It's on full Monty here. This is a nice addition here in Houston, Texas, where it gets crazy hot, and extra fans are always welcome. So we become a fan of our new ceiling fan, as you can see. Very relaxing. And I've got the remote in my hand. I want to demonstrate the fact that I can change the dimness and the color of the light. So if I hit on the button, I can change the different colors of the lights. That's very nice. And if I hold the button down for the light, if you watch carefully, what's going to happen is it starts to dim. That's the dimmest it can be. And if I hold it down again, it's going to go up to its brightest position. It will beep at me. And that's the brightest it will go. So I can change the direction. I can change how fast it goes. It's even got a cool feature here where if you, it like there's a variation. So at one time it's like it goes speed 1 and then it changes to 2. They call it the natural wind. And if I click on that, it's going to then every minute it's going to change its speed. So it feels more like a natural wind. I'm not sure I'll use that very much, but it's kind of cool. We're going to use the shorter unit here. The shorter, this one came, it's pretty awesome. Came with 3 different lengths. And in my use case, I'm going to go with the shortest one. This one has a choice, right? This is a choice between the more wooden one and the black version. You can even vary it. We want the brown down. That's the decision. So I have the remote control here. And with the remote control, if I click on that's the fan button, right? And I can increase the fan speed, right, by clicking up. You can hear it clicking. So that's turbo mode. It's going to get there, warms itself up. And I can lower it down. Let's go turbo mode. And just hear how quiet it is. I can also change the direction of the fan by clicking on the red button here and the blue button here. So a lot of features, the remote. Now, one thing that we were worried about is, well, we could potentially lose the remote. And there's like no chains and stuff to turn it off or on. So what's the deal with that? And here's the answer. It came with a nice little case. Solution solved.